In this video lecture, I will explain you question number 4 of exercise 1.5. The question is represent under root 9.3 on the number line. The question is represent under root 9.3 on the number line. Now, to represent this under root 9.3 on the number line, the first thing that we'll do over here is we'll draw a line of around 13 to 14 centimeter. Suppose this is the line. Now the initial suppose this point over here I have taken it as A. Now pick your scale and place the scale at point A and measure 9.3 centimeter. Wherever you get 9.3 centimeter, mark it as point B. Okay. Now over here on this number line we are taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. This means that this AB is 9.3 units. Then place the scale at point B and this time you will measure 1 centimeter. Wherever you get 1 centimeter, mark it as point C. This BC is equal to how much? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So I am writing 1 unit. Now after that we will find midpoint of segment AC. Now how to find the midpoint of segment AC? Pick your compass, place the needle of the compass at point A and extend your compass up till here. Take an arc on your compass more than half of AC. Suppose needle is at point A and pencil is somewhere over here. Then after that cut an arc above AC as well as below AC. So suppose this is the arc above with A as center. I am cutting arc above as well as below. Now do not change the radius of the compass. Now this time place the needle of the compass at point C and cut an arc above as well as below, like this. Then join them by a dotted line. This point O is the midpoint of line segment AC. Now to check this whether this O is the midpoint, you can measure it using compass. Place the needle of the compass at point O and pencil at A. If O and OC are equal, then your midpoint is correct. Now once you have obtained the midpoint, the next thing you will do is you will draw a semicircle which intersect point A and point C. So for drawing a semicircle, what we'll do over here is we'll place the compass needle at point A and pencil at point A. We'll place the needle of the compass at point O and pencil at point A, and then we'll draw a semicircle which intersect point A as well as point C. Once we have drawn the semicircle, the next thing is we will draw perpendicular at point B using compass. So for drawing perpendicular at point B, again we'll place the needle of the compass at point B and take a small radius and cut an arc over here like this. Now cut an arc over here, cut an arc over here, over here and join them. Okay, like this. Now the point where this perpendicular meets the semicircle is D. Also join OD. This OBD is actually a right angle triangle. Now this BD is actually, the length of BD is how much? Under root 9.3. The length of BD is under root 9.3, but we need to represent this under root 9.3 on this line. And for that what we'll do? Now we'll again pick up the compass and place the needle of the compass at point B and pencil at point D. So with B as center and radius BD, we'll draw an arc which meets the number line at a point say E. At a point say E. So this BE will represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So this is the way of representing under root 9.3 on the number line. Now the next thing is writing steps of construction. So what will be the first step? The first step will be that from this fixed point A, mark 9.3 units to get another point B. This is first step. Then second step will be draw BC equal 1 unit. This will be the second step. Then step 3 will be find midpoint of AC, and suppose that point is represented by letter O. This is third step. Then fourth step will be draw a semicircle which intersect at point A and C. Okay, so this is step number 4. Then step number 5 will be draw perpendicular at point B which meets the semicircle at point D. Then the next step will be with B as center and radius BD, draw an arc which intersect the line at point E. Then you will change the para and write thus BE represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So this is the way of representing under root 9.3 on the number line.